This is a 2012 Honda Civic, and we're gonna be removing the wheel bearing. Oh, let me get the hammer real quick. God damn. You gotta do this very, very gently. Do not fold this. All right, so to take out the wheel bearing, you gotta take out the speed sensor at the back. You get a 10.
It was just a battery.
Take this out. There's a 10 here. Take out the sensor. So yeah, this is the speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. It's located at the back side. Take that out. Then there's 4 bolts that we need to remove, which are 14 bolts. So grab your wrench or ratchet. 4 bolts. Can't believe tomorrow's Thursday already, man. April. Shit. I got so many videos that I need to edit. Every day, yeah. Basically, I'm not even like filming anymore. I'm just vlog. Like, I'm what do you call that? Recording the work. Video log, like logging in. Like, I guess that's what they call it, vlog. But in a research lab, whatever you do, you just hit the camera and whatever happens. That's what I'm doing right now. Huh? The blue one? Yeah. Not yet. I haven't. No S2K, not the Porsche, not the BMWs, not the Supra, nothing yet. I'm just like building the boring stuff because I want people to look at my channel and be like, oh man, these guys are just not It's not just pure entertainment. You know, I want them to learn something. Because a lot of videos out there, man, they just time escape. Like, dude, what the hell? I know you can take it out, but how did you take it out? Like, dude, what the hell? That's why they do this little trick, like you gotta snap it and it's out. How the fuck did you take it out? You didn't do the traditional way to take it out, man. You did something.
I noticed that. It doesn't seem to be very many engine removal or transmission removal videos. Might be for like popular vehicles.
All right, so this is the new one. The new rear wheel bearing. So there's two types of wheel bearing for the rear. There's one that's not dented, or there's two grooves like this. The other one is just one groove. So I don't think you would know unless you take it out. So just keep that in mind. That there's two different types of wheel bearings on the back. So good luck. Good luck. Which one, man? Cause yeah. Take out this rubber part. We'll install the new one. Make sure that it's aligned too. It would be better if you have all the bolts ready. So just plug in all the bolts. Okay. So right here, just install it and make sure you plug in all the bolts first. Not plug in, but you know, make sure the bolts are ready. All right, there you go. It prevents it from moving. So once you put all the bolts, it should be easy to install the rear wheel bearing. Just make sure it's aligned before you start using the gun to tighten the bolts. Hand tighten them first, like I always keep saying. Ain't no time but a chicken wing. So just rotate it. If it doesn't go in, maybe it's just on the wrong alignment. You got him in. All right, put the bolts, put everything back together. Because the way I'm gonna check it is from the back.
Oh yeah.
All right, don't forget to install back the speed sensor that we took out. There you go. Then put the rotors or the brake drum. Sit.
Did you adjust it?
No, I didn't. Why did you have to? I don't think so. I mean, we didn't really it won't go in. No, we didn't change the brakes or anything, so it should be good. All right, so we're gonna end the video. This is how you replace the rear wheel hub assembly of a 2012 Honda Civic. If you have any questions or comments, just write it down. If you want to say hi to us, let us know. Follow us if you like this content. If you watch the entire video, we appreciate y'all. Um, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Peace.